Hi everyone, I'm Susanna Mattiangeli and I'm an Italian writer of children's books. Some of my books are translated into Slovenian. For example, here it is, Mina HB. This is the first book of a small series of 3 and is about a girl who loves writing and inventing all kinds of stories. She's in the fourth grade in the first book. She's 9 years old. She has a very normal life. She has a best friend, a best enemy, a boy she likes. But with the stories she tells, it becomes special. Because she likes to reverse the point of view on things. For example, she likes telling stories backwards from the end, starting from the end to get to the beginning. Or she likes pretend that numbers could talk, or to pretend that even inanimate object could have feeling and tell their own stories. So what I would like you to do today is something Mina loves to do sometimes. She likes opening the refrigerator, observing the foods, and imagining what could happen between the various foods. She opens the refrigerator and she imagines quarrels, discussions, maybe loves or great friendships between, let's say, the mayonnaise and the ketchup. Or she think about poor carrots. What do they think when they are left to mold? No? So what I would like you to do is open your refrigerator, maybe take a picture, close it, and then look at the shelves like as if it were a theatrical scene, as if foods were characters and let them act. Okay, so you have to remember that everyone has his own character. So maybe fresh cheese is quieter than spicy sauce, or maybe, who knows, maybe lettuce is gentler than an artichoke. Or maybe not. You decide. You're the authors. So, you can start. You have all the time you want. What I suggest you is not to sit in front of the refrigerator, because you're going to catch a cold, and it's not good for the food. But you can take a picture, and if you want to send what you wrote to Sodobnost, I'll be glad to read it, and thank you very much.